Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make a little VFX tutorial. We're going to put motion into a still. I got the media from Pixabay. I'm going to stretch this out to 20 seconds. I want to reverse the direction of this. I want that option. You got to have the retime controls to do that. And on a still, you don't have that. If you right click on it, there's no retime controls. That's because it's a still, not a video. So in order to do it, we want to animate this first. If you make the VFX, if you convert it to that now, you can do everything else, but you can't reverse the segment. But I want that option. So we're going to animate it first, then convert it to a VFX. We'll put the playhead at frame 0. Set your media up to where you want it to start. Set a keyframe. I'm going to advance 10 seconds. Half the duration. Then double click on the zoom. Now we have the zoom out effect. But to make that look better, go up here to the keyframe editor. And then select this button. And it'll open up in a different window. Highlight all the points. And click on ease in, ease out. There's other things you can do to make it look more realistic, like adding grain, film grain to make it look more like a video. Now it has a little bit better animation. Now we want to add a little movement to it. Go to effects up here. Then you want open FX. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on screen. And in the search window, put in camera shake. And drop it on your media. You can also use an adjustment clip. Set that on top of your media, and you can put it right directly on that as well. And by default, it's pretty erratic. Over the inspector, you have all kinds of adjustments. I'm going to turn the motion scale down somewhere around 0.3. And same thing with the speed scale, somewhere around 0.3. That looks a little better. I still don't have the option. I want to reverse this. So we'll convert it to a VFX. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to. Now if I right click on it, now you have the retime controls. Select it. Click on this little triangle and reverse segment. And now you have this going the other direction. And you also have a copy of that in the media pool. When you do a compound clip, a fusion, or a VFX, it'll automatically save a copy of it in the media pool. So if you ruin it, lose it, you'll have it there. And it'll be just like the original. And you can reverse segment that as well. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.